Hello friends, we're back on working on Rocket Rental because I need to solidify how the tests are going to work and for the testing workshop that I'm giving, which should be super fun. So if you go to kensiedodds.com/workshops, you'll see I've got 2 workshops scheduled for testing and it's going to be amazing. The early bird discount is going away this week, so jump on that. Yeah, so I'm just going to be testing Rocket Rental. I already have tests in place and stuff. I want to make some adjustments to that and make sure that CI is working and everything. That is the goal for today. So yeah, let's get that going. EpicWeb.dev Rocket Rental. And yeah, right now our actions are failing. Looks like we got a PR. Oh, right. Yep. We're not going to do that, I think. Maybe later. Let's see what is failing here. Yeah, playwright. So we're going to be making some adjustments to that. Okay. So I've made a bunch of changes as well to Rocket Rental based on things that I changed in the web app fundamentals workshop. And one of the changes I haven't made here yet is this merge meta actually is going to go away. We don't need it because we're going to change the way that our root does meta. So these two are going to go right here. Oh, come on. Thank you. And yeah, let's add a description. Find yourself in outer space. Whoops, that is name, description, content. There we go. Okay, now all the places that use merge meta will not do that anymore and will instead, yeah, let's see. I'm trying to think if there's a easy find replace way I can do this. I don't think that there is. I mean, there probably is, but not one that I can do easily. So what we're going to do instead, oh, there's not even that many. Okay, never mind. We'll just do this manually. It's fine. Merge meta. Yeah, we use it quite a few places, but okay, so this is v2 meta function with type of loader. And here we go. Okay, cool. And then we get rid of merge meta. And then forgot password. No merge meta. Here, let's get rid of all those. Okay, here we go. v2 meta function here. Oh, and by the way, let's see. Yeah, there we go. And v2 meta function here also. Get rid of that one. And meta v2 meta function. Oh my gosh, I forgot centered. Thought something felt weird. Huh, I only have one desktop. That's funny. Okay. Test Rocket Rental. Okay. Good, good. Okay, and then this last one. All right, stellar. Make a bunch of adjustments. Okay, cool. So next, let's look at what updating all of our dependencies is going to do. Got to stay on top of that stuff. That all looks fine. That's probably fine. That's probably fine. TypeScript, upgrading TypeScript to 5.0. By now, maybe it's fine. We'll see. It has been a couple weeks, so maybe it's okay. All right, let's start this thing out. Okay, there we go. That's kind of what I thought. Remix config. I think these unstables are changing to v2 or something. All values will be uppercase. All right, so let's try this. Get. Okay, I think, yeah, if we look for method and post, I wonder if that means that I need to change it. Yeah, let's look at that. That'll probably have details. That's cool. They have it preparing for v2. That's nice. Form method. Okay, so if it's all uppercase for these things, I'm thinking we should probably do uppercase for our method as well. Okay. Let's save and save. Yep, and that's where we have 3 of those. Sure, we'll just do it everywhere, except for that. That's fine. Okay, and get, whoopsies. Okay, that one's fine. I think we're good with gets. Yep, that's all good. Okay, cool. So that's that. Yeah, so on about that. We can turn that on, but then we have our ignore route files, everything, so that we can do our flat routes. So, cool. Criminy. And looks like Tailwind has line clamp now included by default. So there you are. All right, good stuff. Now, if I close the server and start it again, okay, so I changed something relatively recently that caused the server to not close properly. I'm not sure what it is. Maybe it wasn't me. Maybe it was Remix that messed it up. Okay, let's do this then. I have, let's see, server close with grace. Nope, this is, yeah, regular dependency. And you know what? I want to have a nicer thing here too. We're going to do all this. Okay. And we only need one of these. There we go. Okay. And let's give it this. Stick that inside of here. And instead of let's get learning, we'll have a rocket. Time for takeoff. Or we have liftoff. There we go. That's awesome. Here, let's grab get port. By the way, this is live. I just ignore chat anywhere except for Discord. You'll find a link in the description. Yeah, this is where we chat. Okay. And address, I think that's a built-in module, pretty sure. Maybe not. I guess not. Okay, cool. So all right, let's see what this does. Cool. All right, good. Yep, I like that. And now let's see if it closes with grace. Oh, good. That's great. Good news. Cool. So now let's commit this, upgrade all the things and whatnot. As I'm the only developer working on this project, having commit messages like that is kind of comes with the territory. It probably would be better if I had better commit messages, but yeah, it probably won't make a difference. Okay, great. So now we need to talk about the tests. So I want to start with the end-to-end tests with Playwright. So we've got Playwright test. And I do want to try the new UI flag because that thing's amazing. Okay, great. Here's an issue right from the get-go. Oh yeah. So when I upgraded to the latest Playwright, I had this problem elsewhere as well when I wanted to play around with a new thing. And I'm not sure what the problem is. Test file should not import test file. Yeah, that's what it is. The utilities need to be moved to a separate utils folder. This was closed 2 weeks ago. So maybe I just need to have a different extension or something. I actually like that extension .extend. Because that is actually what it is doing. Try that again. Okay. Interesting. Looks like this hasn't been released, so that might be the problem. Oh man. I can't remember. There's a script that I'm looking for specifically. This doesn't say when it was released either. It's kind of annoying. Alright, whatever. Hmm, 15 hours ago, huh? I do have the latest, so that's interesting. This fix does not appear to have made it into the release, or something else is messed up. What if I do that? Stick those in there. And now these go up. We'll call this utils, test utils. There we go. I like that better anyway. Okay, that worked better. Do, 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 do. I don't need to download this one. I only use Chromium anyway. Oh well. Okay. Okay. Users can leave reviews and view them when they're allowed to, when they're all submitted. I'm surprised that one's really complicated. I'm surprised that one made it through. Yeah, multi-user chat. No surprise that one failed. That one's pretty tricky. Yeah, these ones I am surprised they failed. Those ones are not that tricky. Oh, right, email stuff. Yeah. Okay. It's interesting. It's showing the line right there, but this get by role button is probably this one. And I'm guessing the reason that it failed is because we renamed that button in our onboarding. So let's go manually do this. Blah at example.com. Blah. Oh, actually, we got to create an account. Okay. And then we open up this link. Blah. Blah, blah, blah. Okay, and it says create an account. That's what the dealio is. So, actually, launch is what this one says. And then, okay, we gotta go sign up. What is the accessibility guidelines for pending states? Okay, where's my W3 pending? Okay, spinners loading. Huh. I've done this before. This is the weird thing. Yeah, that's not what we want. Yeah, this is not what we want. Okay, well, for right now, yeah, this is stupid. Get rid of that thing. Trying to think. Yeah, we'll probably do this differently later. Huh, what are you complaining about? Maybe this is a TypeScript update thing. Let's reload everything. Should probably run type checking actually. What? Aha, there you are, stupid thing. Pending. Yeah, heck with that. We'll figure out something better to do later. For right now, we'll just do this, and this will be way better. Boy, I was about to go down the Google rabbit hole for that. That never would have revealed anything. Okay, anyway, looks like we're good everywhere else, so that's good. Okay, so we want the button to be disabled. Okay, and then what happens? Let's see. So we say sign up, that goes into here, it sends the email, sends a success, and then if the status is success, then we render check your email. Okay, then we read the email, and we go to onboarding, we fill in this info, we click on create account. Yeah, there we go, that should do that. And let's try the UI flag. There it is. It's so beautiful. Okay, we waited for this disabled to be there. I think their source maps are not working quite right. In any case, if I inspect that, it's over here. You can't see it, sorry. Man, that's kind of annoying. Sorry, you can't see it. Click on that. That button is, it is disabled. And it does still say launch. Oh, it was waiting for the check email thing to be visible. That's what it was failing on. That's interesting because we definitely got here. Oh, yeah, it's check your email. Yeah, okay, that makes sense. Try that again. Okay, there we go. This really is nice to have this. Okay, so it's looking for a text box. Wonder why it's taking so long. Normally it would time out before now. Timed out looking for name, something that starts with name. This label, here actually, we look at this. That's strange. Oh, label. There we go. I was saying form. Well, that's kind of interesting. Name with the star. That's interesting because the star comes in the after. Okay, well, the solution's simple enough. I'm just kind of befuddled by that just a little bit. All right, try that again. Now we're looking for terms. Huh, why can't it find the terms? So if I look at this input, and we look at the accessibility, oh man, I'm very laggy when Playwright is running. Yeesh. Huh. Oh, that's interesting. That's because well, we've got our button roll checkbox, so that should still be able to find that one. Sorry it's so laggy when I'm running the Playwright tests. I'm not sure what to do about that. It is what it is. Oh man. So here, the role is checkbox. Do you agree to our terms of service? So that should match. Huh. So that's saying you should just go with locator. That's interesting. Wonder if we switch that from check to click on all these. Kind of don't think that'll make a difference, but maybe. Oh, I'm running all of the tests right now. Whoops. Okay, it's over now. Man, that really just eats as much as it possibly can into my machine. Okay, let's look at onboarding. That's the one I meant to run. Yeah, I cannot find the terms. Yeah, this is really annoying. I want to scroll down, and then when I hover over this, it's like, nope, scroll you up. Create QR code for this page. Wow, that's interesting. Okay, I think I may need to go to the Discord for this. Playwright. Select or locate a, here, I'll come over here so y'all can see it. Locate and check a checkbox by its label. Roll a button, roll checkbox by its label. That's what's going on. Okay, I have some design constraints for my check boxes. Here, let's add the tag here. That requires I use a button with a hidden checkbox input. I believe I have all the roles or attributes set correctly. Whoop. But it doesn't appear to be working, able to find my checkbox. Let's do this. Here's the HTML for my checkbox. Let's prettify that. Yep, here we go. Oh, yeah. Did I just miss a break? Yeah, I totally just worked through a break. Whoops. Here's my selector. This is what I want it to be anyway. This is timing out. Any idea, how do you properly select a hidden input, select and check an input like this? Is it possible to have my test code be unaware of the fact that under the hood the checkbox is using a button? Yeah. Yoink. Okay, I think the solution or the workaround for this is here, and I'll put a link to this in the chat so that folks can see that. Yeah, hey, Oneman. I actually saw that today in Matt Pocock's email, which is pretty interesting. Still need to kind of figure out where that matters for me, but I'm sure I will discover that. Okay, so I think what we need to do is force on these. And I think that will fix it. Okay, prepare yourselves. It's about to get choppy. There we go. Chop, chop, chop. No, it can't find it at all. Okay, so if I'm on the input, Okay, so the input is not, yeah, the input is only there for the form serialization, I think. This checkbox should be the thing that, or the button should be the thing that shows up here. Yeah, I don't know. I'm not sure. That is annoying. Also, I should point out that I tried force true as well as click instead of check, but it appears that the get by role query is what is failing here. So it can't find it at all, which is unexpected, I would say. I mean, I suppose we could just click on the text. That's a good way to get unblocked. I wonder if we say get by label text. Whoops, messed that up. Yeah, there it is. Okay, let's try that again. Can I, console, can I do anything in here? It'd be really cool if I had like a little REPL type of console thing. Oh well. What is that? Watch all. No thanks. Oh great, I ran them all again. Don't want to run them all, just this one. Maybe I should watch it. Oh, well that worked. Okay, now what are we looking for? I think before, when you clicked on that, it would send you to the user profile page. Now it opens up the dialog. So, yeah, so now, wait, page, get by role. Yep. Now that's interesting actually, because this is technically a link because I want it to be progressively enhanced, but okay, come on. All right. Yeah, so it is a link, but I prevent default. I wonder, though, if we're looking at accessibility here, yeah, the role is link. Has pop-up menu. I think we'll just leave it like it is. Unless there is a role for menu. Yeah, thanks, Zohoyo. Yeah, well, you're, yep. Thanks, but I'd rather not use that test IDs as they, yeah, a last resort. My current workaround is to select and click on the text, is to use get by label, which works but is less semantic. Okay. Sweet. So we click on that link, yeah, I don't think menu is going to work, but let's just try it. Then we click on the link, and then we have that, and we can click on the logout, and yeah. Okay, let's try that again. Yeah, menu's not going to work. It is a link. I'm going to mention the laggy stream in the ambassadors channel. Okay. Now that's interesting. I definitely expected this to work. So here's my link. And if I go to accessibility, name, profile, oh, it's a menu item. Ah, interesting. So the menu item, oh, because the role is specified. Yep, that makes sense. Role, whoops. menu item. That's interesting. So here we're clicking on a link that's actually a menu, and here we're clicking on a menu item that's actually a link. Yeah. I don't love that. We'll look at that later, I suppose. Boom. Passed. Glorious. Okay, so let's take a look at login as an existing user if there's anything I can see right off the bat. Yeah, right here. Definitely. And then, yeah, the submitting thing. So if we go to reset password, this now says recover password. And then same thing we did with the launch thing, where we just wait for it to be disabled. And then after that, we redirect to login. Oh wait, that's on the reset password, forgot password page. It does say recover password. Here it probably shouldn't say recover password. Where's my design? And everything is slower when I'm running Playwright UI. Ooh. Okay, here we go. I'm looking for, yeah, login and log up. Come on, wake up. Yeesh. So forgot password, that says recover password. I don't think I have a page like this. Maybe I do. I think I just redirect them. Yeah, so it says recover password. And then instructions have been sent. Okay, so we go to forgot password. We put in the username, click on recover, we wait for it to be disabled, and then we need to wait for the text. And here where we say launch, we do something similar there. Check your, or I think it says instructions have been sent to your email. Okay. And then we have the reset. And here it should definitely say reset password. instead of recover password. Yep, okay. And then we redirect, but we could also make sure that we have the disabled state. That would probably be a good thing. And then we go to log in. We type in our username and our original should say invalid. We type in our new and log in. Okay. And then we do the whole logout sequence. I don't think we need to do that. Yeah, it's fine. Yeah, we should probably do that still. Okay, let's try login as an existing user. Okay, we're looking for a button with the name logout. And here it's saying it should contain the user's name. I think it used to, but it doesn't anymore. Yeah. So actually we should say await expect page get by text user name to be visible. The logout button doesn't have that anymore. See, we have it actually in two places because we have the menu. I think we're actually probably good. We probably over-tested at this point, so. That's why it wasn't auto-completing. Okay, so that's enough for that. That'll be enough for this as well. We already do the logout rigmarole over here. Okay, and I think, yeah, we have to do this here. Because we didn't use insert new user because we're testing user create. There. Okay, cool. Oh, let's try that again. This should pass, I expect. There we go. Sweet. And now this one, I think it'll pass, but I could be wrong. New password. Yep, that's the problem. Try that again. Stop. Let's see. I think I'm going to take an early break with this. Yeah, cool. Let's go ahead and commit this. Fix onboarding tests. And I'm going to take an early break. So we'll see you all in about 5 minutes. Okay, let's come back to this. And let's work on the review one worked. I really want to think about how to do this better though, because creating that data for the test is not awesome. And yeah, the review though, this does not matter. We will definitely not have this test in the workshop that I'm giving in a couple weeks, because we won't have that feature, I think, probably. Well, it just kind of depends on the learning outcomes and what I can accomplish with different pieces. I think onboarding has quite a few of them. In fact, let's just look at that right now. So, we check, get all that. With just onboarding. Yeah, we'll get to unit tests and components, and end-to-end will be with onboarding, and onboarding with tests, with database authenticated. Yep. And yep. So these last will be covered just by the onboarding test. There are only 3 of those. But there are utilities and stuff that we'll be writing. So then we just need a unit test and a component test. Cool. Okay. I would still like to see if we can get the existing test that I've got passing though. So we're going to try and do that. But I'm going to time box that here. In fact, I'll use Cypress to do that. Am I running all the tests? Whoops. Okay, so make E2E tests work. And if I can't do that in 25 minutes, then we're moving on. Cool, okay. So reviews, that stuff totally works. Sweet. Multi-user chat. This one does not. Aha. Yeah, and I know exactly why not. Because this user does not have a renter or host profile yet. So it's just in the creation step. Okay. So we log in these 2 different pages and then go to first user. So what's going on here is this user, we insert a new user. Let's see, we do return the user. So we could create a renter profile. Here's what we're going to do. Host page. Yeah. And this is going to be our renter and our host. And page 1, we're going to rename to renter page. Okay, great. So then we'll wait Prisma, or hold on a second. There's a way that we do this, run Prisma. Yeah, because we connect and then disconnect. I'm not exactly sure why we do that. I'll probably make a change to that. I think we can just make the client in the test utils. I don't know why we would care to connect and disconnect. Why did I do that? There's something on my floor here. But we'll stick with that for now. Okay, so run Prisma, await, and then Prisma, let's see, Prisma, let's see. Here, where's that become a renter? Create renter. Basically need to just do this. I'm going to rename this to the renter user and host user. Okay, great. Awesome. And that should at least fix those issues. So try this again. Maybe it'll just work. Message instead of chat. Try that again. That's interesting. It says we only have one page, but we actually should have two. Okay, so this, that's right. Go to the another user's page and start a chat. Go to your own page and my chat. Yeah, okay. Yeah, okay. The design kind of changed a little bit. We don't have a list of chats yet. Okay, fine. What we'll do. I talked to Ryan Florence and he said that eventually React Router will ditch the link component and just use an anchor eventually, one day. And just use event delegation. That'll be awesome. Same with forms. Yeah, it'll be sweet. Okay, let's see what happens. Oh, right, so we link to the chat ID. I think actually we want the users who are involved in the chat excluding themselves. So users Name or username. Okay. Get chat label. Or this is going to be users. It's an array of name, username. And actually, there is a better way to do this. I think I've blogged about it before. Maybe. Yes, listify a JavaScript array. List format. Yep, there it is. We're just going to do this. Put this in our miscellaneous utils. Okay. How about that? There we go. Yeah, yep, there we go. Just that. Heck with that. Just do this. And chat.users.filter. Let's get the user ID as well. Let's see. Use or user. Use user. Yep, there we go. Cool. So then we click on my chat and then await host page, get by role, link, name, new regexp. And yep, they do have a name. So that's interesting. Oh, it could be null. Okay. Yeah, there we go. That's fine. Okay, let's try that. I wish I could see both the pages. "30 seconds is too long." Okay, so here, button, message. Huh. I wish that this was accurate. We're looking for a button message. That is here, I think. Are we doing that anywhere else? Oh, there's only one button we're looking for. So it's when we're on the renter page and we go to message. So, okay, yeah, the renter page goes to the host and looks for message, which is right there. So for some reason, it's not happy about that. Oh, because it's not a button, it's a link. That makes sense. Ah, that's right. Yes, that's right. Before, it was a dynamic button. It would be a button if there was no chat created between the two of you yet. And I must have broken that. So let's go to profile or username host for now. We'll also have to do this on the renter. Yep, here we go. That's why we share things. So it's a button link. Is self, then don't render this. So we're not on our self. If we have a one-on-one chat, then we render a button link. Otherwise, we're going to render a form. As long as the user's logged in, we'll render a form. To start a new chat. Huh. So there's a chat that exists between these two already? Oh, there is. Right? No, there's not. There shouldn't be. Huh. This is actually a really good example of when to drop down from end-to-end test into a unit potentially or component test. Because we've got a bunch of different situations here. We have If you're yourself, then we don't render anything. If you've got a one-on-one chat, then render this. If you don't, but you're logged in, then we render this. If you're not logged in, we render this. That would be a great lower level test. I don't want to test all that from end-to-end perspective. Okay, so I'm not sure why we end up rendering a link though. Yeah, that has got me confused. So let's try this. You know what? It sure would be nice to have like a easier way to find different users. Let's think. Okay, don't worry about it. It's fine. So if I want to find host, where's my user? Username. Rachel86. Hello, Rachel. So this message is a link. Why is it a link? We do not have a chat. Yeah, our chat doesn't exist. I have no chats. I'm chatless. So let's figure out what's going on with that. Right here. No. User one-on-one chat ID. User logged in is self. That is all the things. My computer is like, I can't do all this stuff. Okay, there we go. Okay, we're not ourselves. We have a one-on-one chat ID. How do we have a one-on-one chat ID? I think we have a problem in the query. Logged in user ID. That's interesting. We have a chat that doesn't have any users? And it bothers me a lot that the button to add a new filter is all the way over here. So I click here, I go over there to click, and then I come back here to click. That was not designed. So yeah, we have a chat with no users. That explains why So no empty chat. Probably be a good thing. Users some ID in user.id. Make sure the chat is not empty and has the user in it. Find the one that the logged user is in. There we go. That should fix that. Hey, our testing actually caught a bug. Here we go. That is now a button. Beautiful. Okay, coming back to this. Go! Back to the laggy. As the test runs, it gets really laggy. Okay, well, we got chat's object, so that's fun. Okay, so if I go message, that creates this chat. Now I have a chat with Rachel. There it is. Rachel86. We've got this object thing, so that's a mistake. Let's go to, where's my chats? Huh. That's interesting. Definitely did not expect that. Huh. Oh, yeah, that makes sense. And then we gotta, yeah, let's see. Yeah, just specify stringify. Cool, that should do it. It should, doesn't appear to. There we go, that worked now. I don't know what went wrong. Maybe I didn't save that file. That's probably what happened. Kind of feel like I should make it so that that's not possible. So like this stringify function should be required if item type does not extend a string. Whoa. VS Code froze. Okay, so what are you complaining about? Mm-hmm. Ah. Hmm. All right, forget it. I don't care that much. Okay, great. So now I click on this. Yeah, if I go to chats, we click on this, boom, we're in our chat. All right, let's try this now. Boom, there it is. Passed. Yes, good stuff. So all of the tests are passing. Let's try them all. Now it's really gonna burn my CPU. I don't know if my voice is choppy. My video is definitely choppy, but yeah, let me know if you can actually hear me when this happens. Yeah, not too bad right now. Uh-oh, everything failed. Great. What went wrong? Huh, that's interesting. Here, let's get rid of this thing. And let's turn this thing off too, actually. Okay, kablooey on almost everything. Yikes. Okay. Okay, that was interesting. Check your email never showed up. It timed out. Huh. I wonder if that's just because it was taking, like, my computer is busy. actually liked it the way it was before. And actually, I'll turn this off too. So you start up your own server. That's interesting. This is why I like running the server on the side, so I can see the logs. Okay, we got a couple more. Huh, interesting. I'm thinking that it just finished so quickly. No, because I don't know. So wait, what about this failed? I don't see any failures. It all looks like it worked fine. Okay, whatever. The tests individually, they pass, and we gotta move on. Fix tests. Okay, let's see what happens. In CI. How long did the test take last time? Okay. Almost time for a break. I'm gonna take an extended break because I'm gonna go eat lunch, and then I'll be back and we'll work on, I don't know, either cleaning up the abstractions a little bit or unit testing stuff. So. Not very helpful info there. Okay, hold on a second. It's giving me a green. Oh, it was flaky, but it did work. Yeah, I think we've got a timing issue of some kind or something. We'll want to look into that, but looks like it did pass at least, so that's good. Yeah, I got a couple linting things too. Let's see. Oop. Use catch. That's not a thing anymore. And data function args on create host. Fix linting. Well, I don't need to push it right now. It's fine. Deploy is going. Yay. This is cool. See, the tests tell me that somebody can log in. Well, actually you can't, because I still am not paying for email. So you can only email to me at kensiedodds.com. But yeah, those features do work, assuming mail works. And we do not cover the actual mail thing because we mock that out. So there's that.